welcome back to my channel. This is Felicia, the Crafty Queen, and today I'm going to show you how to make composition notebooks to custom. So I already did this, so just know I already did this, but I'm going to show you how I did the back of it. I got these from Walmart, like for 38 cents. And also, I will have the template posted in my store. I have a beacon store. Congratulations to Felicia. So today I just cut, this is the back of it. And I got this from someone, but I also created my own template also. And what you're going to need is a front and back. You don't have to do the back, but I just want to do the back. I use koala inkjet paper. It's the sticker paper. You're going to need a cutting mat, some scissors. I'm not fond of scissors, but if you can cut good, hey, you do you. But you're gonna need like a X-Acto knife, and I got a box cutter. I just have everything. You're gonna need a ruler when you get ready to cut around these, and a little squeegee to push it on the composition. So while we get into that, and just know if you get the ones from Walmart, they are, I forgot the size, 7 by 10, sorry about that. So I already did the front, as you can see. Yeah, I did that. So now I'm going to do the back. So I'm going to make this as quickly as possible. This will be one of my shortest videos in a long time. So I'm just going to measure it. And what I try to do, I try to leave like a little white. It gives me room to like maneuver, if you know what I mean, around. So I'm just going to cut this. Yeah, cut this. Cutting this size because I know it's time for some of y'all kids to go back to school. And if y'all would like for me to make y'all some custom composition notebook, please reach out to me. You can message me or DM me, follow me on my TikTok. And also, I want y'all to follow my new TikTok page where I encourage women. So, yeah, I'll put all that in the description down below. So, yeah, I just want to tell y'all that. So, let me try to measure this right. Trying to line this up because, I probably could cut this, but I don't want to take that chance. Why? Because I'm not a good cup toe. See? You don't want the white really on there. I'm just trying to make sure I got it. And just know, there will be like some little errors here and there because of the white. Praise the Lord, I got that done. Okay. Then I'm going to cut this one. I think my blade's trying to get a little dull. Hopefully not. And then I'm going to cut. Did I cut this side? Child, I don't even know. I probably did, but I'm going to cut this a little bit more. And also, please subscribe to my beacon store because on every Friday, I do like a free item. And since I'm just starting out, just know my price is not like $15. No, because I know everybody done got a lot of coins. So, I don't charge a whole lot of stuff. But I would just like for y'all to support my beacon store. So, what you're going to do now, I'm going to move my little scraps out the way. What you're going to do now is you're going to flip this over like this. You're just going to fold it down like that. Let me get my notebook. Ouch. Make sure I do this right because, honey, I don't want to. Shoot. Okay, let me put that back down. I'm glad I look. See? I got to fold. I cut the wrong end. That's okay. I cut the wrong end. I was supposed to cut that end because I messed up because I thought that was the front side of it. Let me make sure. Okay, I got it. That's what happens trying to do too much, trying to rush it. Okay, make sure this is right. Somewhere up in there. Okay. Ooh, that baby was precise. Okay. So what I'm gonna do now is, and I will do, if y'all have any questions, please put them in the description down below, as always. But I got these from Walmart. You just flip this over like that. And then I'm going to just, you're going to try to line it up to the best of your ability. To the black thing. Let me see. And what I like about this sticker paper, you can pick it up. There we go. And you get your little squeegee. And just make sure you got it like this. And then just do this step as slowly as possible. Some people, I don't do the whole thing because you know why? Some people just take it all off and just lay it. Nope, because I'm not that good. So yeah, just do this slowly as possible. Boom. Don't, you know, there's still gonna be little white parts right there, but this is what you do. You flip that over. That's why I have the X-Acto knife. I'll put everything in the description down below. And you just put this as quick as possible. Boom. Put that to the side over there. And then I'm gonna go to this part. I feel like I'm cutting the notebook itself, but bruh. Okay. Told you I'm cutting the notebook itself. Lord have mercy. And then we're gonna flip this over. Bruh. I will be putting more templates on here probably later on, but the templates I already have. Oh my Lord have mercy. I'm cutting the notebook. Jesus. I will put them up there. Help me, Lord. So now we have created the book. Here's the front. Oh, Lord. Here's the front of it. And here is the back. So if you have any questions or concerns, please hit your girl up. And I will be posting these templates in my Beacon store. But I will put it in the description down below. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel. I know this is a short video because I want to give y'all something because I know I haven't really been posting. So yeah, I just wanted to do this. This is the front. I forgot to cut that white off, but it look good to me, baby. Besides me cutting up the freaking notebook, the composition book. But yeah, this is the book, and I will be posting the templates into the my Beacon store. And just please don't forget to subscribe to my Beacon store. I will put in my new TikTok page so y'all can follow that too. Because every Friday I have a freebie. So I don't know what this Friday might be, but I think of something. So thank y'all for tuning in to Felicia the Crafty Queen, if I can speak today. And I hope y'all have a wonderful day. Be breezy.